Hi, my name is Josh Record, and this is my song called For Your Love. I put diamonds on my promises, so you know that they will stay. And on your finger is where my vow will live, so you can see it every day. It's all for love, it's all for love. I will do anything for my love.
In this high-tech world, everyone has pressure of meeting deadlines and expectations of others. The day-to-day buildup of stress can take its toll on us and can lead us to unhappiness and other health problems. Many people find that stepping out of the rat race and into nature can put them back in sync with themselves. Be it stalking a deer in a meadow, catching crawdads in the stream, or taking a simple stroll through the woods, it allows people to let go of their stress, worries, and to-do lists and enjoy a simple rhythm of nature.
It's all for love.